Hey there, future leaders. Have you ever wondered how the members of Legislative Assembly, that means MLAs, and members of Parliament, that means MPs, are elected in India? Get ready for an exciting adventure. Let's visit Karnal, a fantastic place in India that's divided into different pieces called constituency. Within Karnal, there are various assembly constituencies like Karnal, Indri, Nilokheri, Garonda, Asant, Panipat Rural, Panipat City, Izrana and Samalka. All these places together form the Karnal constituency. But each of these places has its own legislative assembly. Legislative assembly plays a crucial role in the legislative process, formulating and passing laws at the state level. The voters in each assembly constituency come together on election day to choose their MLA. They vote for the person they believe will best represent their area in the state legislative assembly. After all the votes are counted, the candidate with the most votes in each assembly constituency become the MLA for that specific area. Mr. Nawarlal Khattar is the elected MLA from Karnal. Karnal constituency has 9 MLAs. One from Karnal, one from Indri, one from Nilokheri and so on. Haryana Legislative Assembly has 90 constituency, that means 90 MLAs, and the whole country has 4,123 state assembly constituency with 4,123 MLAs. While for choosing the MPs for the parliament, all the voters in these different legislative assembly come together on election day to choose one person who will represent them in the parliament. Haryana is divided into 10 parliamentary constituency. These are Bhiwani Mahendragarh, Ambala, Faridabad, Gurugram, Karnal, Hisar, Kurukshetra, Rohtak, Sirsa and Sonipat. These parliamentary constituency contain many assembly constituency of Haryana. For example, Karnal constituency contain Karnal, Indri, Nilokheri, Garonda, Asant, Panipat Rural, Panipat City, Izrana and Samalka. Just like Karnal, the other 9 parliamentary constituency contain many assembly constituency. These 10 parliamentary constituency contain 90 assembly constituency within it. The candidate with the most votes across all this assembly constituency become the MP for the entire Karnal constituency. Mr. Sanjay Bhatia is the elected person who represents Karnal constituency in parliament. In this way, Haryana has 10 MPs representing Haryana in parliament, and the whole country has been divided into 543 parliamentary constituency with 543 MPs. And that's how MLAs and MPs are elected in India every 5 years by 2 different elections, one for MLA, one for MP. While one MP represents the Karnal constituency in the big parliament, different MLA of the constituency represent their own area in the state legislative assembly. So, remember, your votes matter not only for choosing the MP but also for selecting the MLA who work on issues closer to home, making your community a better place. Thanks for exploring with us. See you next time, future leaders.